Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete and create new company in QuickBooks Enterprise. So let's get started. Open QuickBooks Enterprise on your computer. From the No Company Open window, you'll see a list of your company files. Locate the company you want to remove. Right-click on the file and choose Delete from the options. Remember, deleting a company file is permanent, so make sure you have a backup if you think you may need the data later. Now, let's move on to creating a brand new company. From the No Company Open screen, click on Create a New Company. QuickBooks will give you two options, Express Start and Detailed Start. Express Start is quicker, while Detailed Start lets you customize more settings right away. Choose the option that works best for you. Then, enter the basic company information such as business name, industry, type, and contact details. Next, select your chart of accounts setup. QuickBooks provides industry-specific options, or you can create your own. After filling in these details, click Create Company File. QuickBooks will then generate a new company file for you. From here, you can begin adding customers, vendors, accounts, and transactions to get your business running smoothly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.